Hello viewers, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various aspects of adsorption isotherms, including Langmuir adsorption isotherm. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain Langmuir adsorption isotherm mechanism classification. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Langmuir adsorption isotherm mechanism can be classified into six types. The first mechanism is single site adsorption in a surface of identical elementary adsorption sites capable of uptaking a single adsorbed molecule. This is the first case. Then second mechanism is multi-site adsorption in a surface containing more than one type of elemental adsorption sites, and each site adsorbing a single molecule is characterized by the independence of the binding sites and the neglect of the adsorbent adsorbate interactions. Then comes third mechanism, which is generalized adsorption. This is occurs for continuum at amorphous materials. In this case, several adsorption sites and several adsorbent affinities happen. The adsorption isotherm is dependent on the binding energy since adsorbent adsorbate interactions are negligible. Then comes fourth mechanism, which is cooperative adsorption in a surface of identical elementary adsorption sites capable of uptaking several adsorbed molecules. Then, fifth mechanism for dissociative adsorption. Dissociative adsorption by chemical bonding, molecular dissociation, and desorption takes place in this case. Finally comes a sixth mechanism, which involves multi-layer adsorption where each adsorption site is independent and identical and an unlimited number of molecules could be adsorbed. Then this is the references from where most of the informations have been gathered. And finally, thanks for watching. Please do visit AminulChem Innovation, like, comment, share for new videos.